In this video, we review Oanda versus IG. Have you used Oanda or IG before? What was your experience? Leave your Oanda or IG review in the comments section below. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. The online trading landscape is filled with many brokers offering various services and platforms. Two of the most well-known names in the Forex and CFDs market are Oanda and IG. Both brokers have a significant presence in the financial world, offering a range of services to both retail and institutional investors. However, the differences between them in terms of trading platforms, fees, product offerings, and overall user experience can make a huge impact on how traders choose between them. Oanda has long been recognized for its simplicity and customer-centric approach. One of its most notable features is the ability to trade in a wide variety of asset classes, including Forex, commodities, indices, and bonds. Its platform is intuitive, designed for both beginner and advanced traders. Oanda's biggest advantage lies in its transparent pricing structure. The company provides traders with low spreads and no hidden fees, which ensures a more predictable trading experience. For beginners, Oanda offers a wealth of educational resources, such as guides, webinars, and demo accounts, helping traders to get accustomed to the world of Forex trading before committing to real money. In contrast, IG is one of the oldest and most respected brokers in the trading community. IG offers a much broader product range, including not just Forex and CFDs, but also options, stocks, and cryptocurrency. Its robust trading platform is known for its advanced charting tools and in-depth technical analysis features. IG caters to more experienced traders who require sophisticated tools and market insights. The company is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, making it a safe choice for traders across the globe. One of the primary benefits of IG is its high liquidity and competitive spreads, especially in volatile markets. However, both Oanda and IG have their share of drawbacks. Oanda, despite its easy-to-use interface and educational resources, has been criticized for its relatively limited product offering compared to IG. While it is great for Forex traders, those seeking to diversify into other asset classes may find Oanda lacking in terms of variety. Moreover, while its spreads are generally low, traders may face slightly higher fees for trading in smaller amounts or for holding positions overnight. This could be a disadvantage for those looking for low-cost solutions in these areas. IG, on the other hand, while offering a wider range of products, may present a steeper learning curve for beginners. Its platform can feel overwhelming to new traders due to the abundance of features and data it presents. Additionally, IG's fees are generally higher than Oanda's for smaller trades, which can put off traders who are just starting or who trade in small volumes. Some users have also expressed concerns about IG's customer support, with wait times for resolving issues being longer than expected at times. Another major consideration is regulation. Both brokers are well regulated across multiple jurisdictions, but IG's longer-standing reputation and multiple regulatory approvals might provide a greater sense of security for some traders. Oanda, although regulated, is slightly more limited in terms of its global regulatory framework. Ultimately, choosing between Oanda and IG depends largely on the type of trader you are. Oanda is an excellent choice for those starting in Forex trading, or those who prefer simplicity and transparent pricing. IG, on the other hand, is ideal for those looking for advanced tools, a broader range of financial products, and the ability to execute large volume trades. The decision should be based on your trading goals, experience level, and the specific tools and services you need to succeed in the market.